Hey kids, it's me, Kit, K-I-T. That's me, and this is Miles. And guess what? Today, we are at the Kangaroo Zoo in Pleasant Grove, Utah. And it's one of our favorite places to visit, isn't it? Yeah! Should we show the kids what you can do here? There's bouncy houses all over the place and a giant play structure that we'll show you guys in just a second. Come on! Whoa! Do you know what animal this is? It's orange and ferocious, and it's a tiger bouncy house. Can you say tiger? Tiger. Roar. Come on in. Whoa! Let's bounce around. Whoa, whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This is awesome. Punching bags. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa. Come on. What's this? This looks like a purple dragon to me. Miles, do you want to climb onto the purple dragon and slide down? We can slide down this purple dragon. Come on, Miles. Look. Whoa! I'm gonna go down the purple dragon. Whoa! Whoa. The bouncy houses are so much fun because you can flop around all you want and it's nice and soft. Should we show the kids the giant play structure that they just built here? It's a big jungle gym. Let's go check it out. Whoa! Look at this place. There's so much to do here. There's 2 giant slides. Do you want to come up into the play structure, the jungle gym with us, and go down the slides? There's a red slide right here and a blue slide right here. And Miles, he's already heading up. Let's follow him, come on. I have an idea. Do you guys want to go down the blue slide? And Miles and I will go down the red one? Here we go. Are you ready? We'll go down on the count of 3. 1, let go. 2, 3. Whoa! Whoa! We're gonna go down the slide again. Up the jungle gym we go. Whoa, we're so high up here. Should we go down? Which one? The red or the blue slide? Let's go down the blue slide. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, here we come. Whoa! Whoa, that's a fast slide. Wow. Remember, when you're playing at a place like this, don't climb up the slide because that's dangerous. Slides are just made to go down. Let's go look at some other things. Guess what? There's a really cool room in this jungle gym where we can play with some foam balls and air. Come in, we'll show you. Come on. Whoa, Miles, can you show me how this works? Look, we can put balls on this platform, and when we push the button, air comes through, and they'll float. Whoa! What do you think about that? Whoa! But what happens here is there's a tube of air that comes up. it pushes the ball up, and the ball doesn't want to move outside of the tube of air. That's what keeps them floating there. And look, we can even juggle these balls. Whoa, almost. Oh no! You can even shoot these balls out of air cannons up there. But in order to get to the air cannons, we have to climb up the jungle gym. And we need some balls to shoot out of the air cannons. So Miles, let's grab a bag. Can you grab this bag? And let's fill it full of balls, okay? Let's pick up some balls. Let's go. We're gonna climb up the jungle gym and blast these balls out of the air cannon. Let's go, Miles. We're going up so high into the jungle gym. We're going past the red and blue slides. Come on. We're gonna go up even higher. And guess what? We've climbed so high that I can see stars and planets outside. We're so high, we're in outer space. Let's shoot some balls. All righty, Pirate Miles. It's time to blast our pirate ship cannon. Come on, I'll load the cannonballs and you blast them out. Blast another one. Let's blast these pirate ship cannons. We're trying to get a bullseye on that target. More. Let's go explore some more of the jungle gym. Whoa. Look, this is an obstacle course high up in the building. We're at the top of the jungle gym and we have to crawl through the obstacles. Do you want to follow us? Let's go. Be careful. Make sure you only step on the circles. Whoa. I got stuck on my back like a turtle. Did you know that if a turtle gets stuck on its back, it can't flip itself back over? Oh my gosh, Miles has already made it through the obstacle course. I wonder if I can get by these obstacles without falling down or getting touched. Let's see. Here I go. I'm not as good at obstacle courses as I thought. I bet you kids at home are pretty good at them though. Let's keep going. I'm gonna follow Miles through that tunnel. Let's see where it goes. Miles, where did you go? Whoa. Okay, Miles, where should we go next? There's some bouncy houses. Should we go down through the bouncy houses? We're gonna check out some bouncy houses now. And in order to get out of the jungle gym, we're gonna go down the fun way, on the slides. Here we go, woohoo! Oh, woohoo! Let's go look at some bouncy houses now. Whoa, there's a big orange cat bouncy house with a big slide. Miles, this is the exit. We have to go in through that side and we'll see you on the other side when we come down. Here we go, up the ladder, kids. Miles is beating me. I better hurry to catch up with him. Whoa! Miles is going to go first. Whoa! I'm gonna go next. It's so dark and spooky. No! Hey kids, did you have fun coming down? Bouncy houses are so much fun. Where did Miles go? I think he's coming down again. I'm gonna scare him. Boo! Did I scare you? Let's go find another one. Go ahead. You better hurry, because I'm gonna run in there and try to catch him. I'm gonna get you! Got him! Now I'm gonna throw Miles onto the Twirly Whirly gumdrop. Here he goes! You want me to get on too? Okay, I'm gonna get on the Twirly Whirly gumdrop with him, but it's kind of crazy. Here we go! Whoa! 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 Oh. Thanks for helping me out, Miles. What a crazy bouncy house. Hey kids, do you want to follow me up and watch us climb the stairs? Miles is doing a great job climbing these stairs. Should we count how many there are? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He just climbed 6 stairs, and I'm gonna climb after him. 6 steps all the way to the top. And when we get to the top, we can go down the slide. Wow! Wow, that was fun. There's just a couple more things we want to show you while we're here at the Kangaroo Zoo, and one of them is our favorite chompy crocodile. Miles is climbing the back of the crocodile, and he's going to try to come out of its mouth without getting chomped. Get out without getting chomped, Miles! Oh, he got you! Whoa, he escaped. I just realized we forgot a tunnel in there. Should we go down that orange slide together? I think we should go into the jungle gym and find where it is. Can you follow us, kids? Come on. In order to get to the slide, we have to decide which way to go. Which way do we go? Do you think we should go left or should we go right? These are our directions. This is right and this is left. What do you kids think? Left or right? Right or left? I think we should go left. I think we should go that way. Let's go left. Come on. Wow, what a fun slide. Well, kids, we're so happy that you guys joined us on this Kangaroo Zoo adventure. We learned a little bit about counting and bouncy houses, and I think Miles and I are gonna finish this video up with a race down the slides. What do you think? Do you wanna race down the blue slide or the red one?
The blue one.
Okay, then I'll race down the red one. Come on, let's go. Miles is going to do blue, and I'm gonna do red. And guess what? Blue and red are Kit Explorer's colors. How fun! Miles is going to do blue, and I'm gonna do red. Are you ready? We're gonna go down. Have a race. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Whoa! Woohoo! We're so glad that you guys joined us for another episode of Kit Explores. Parents, remember to subscribe to our channel, and you can follow us on social media, on Instagram or on Twitter @Kit Explores. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Can you say bye? Bye. Bye-bye. Should we go play some more? Let's go play some more.